Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the garage here at Lugnuts LLC. I'm Lugnut of Lugnuts LLC. I want to take you around today. This will be my first video, but I'd like to take you around and show you a couple of the projects I'm working on. But we're going to focus on one specific today, give you guys a couple of ideas to look at if you're having similar issues. I want to start posting some videos, help you guys out. We're working on a Jonway scooter here. This is the one we're going to focus on today. I have an Indian bobber that came in with a crooked wheel, replacing some fork tubes. Just waiting on parts to show up. Hopefully they're supposed to be here Friday according to UPS tracking. Oh, let's see. Building a chopper right here, a little Sportster chopper. Working on that. I'll provide updates on that as we go. And that 2016 Heritage Softail back there, the issue with that bike is I don't ride it enough. Simple truth. I've been working, still have a normal day job. I also do this running my business on the side. I just don't ride that one enough. We're focusing on this 2014. It's a Jonway Gator 50cc scooter. I've already got it all taken apart. Customer called in and sent it in to me needing a blinker replaced, a headlight replaced, the speedometer cable replaced. It got ripped out of the mount on the wheel axle. And said that it wouldn't start, and was wondering if it was the kill switch. So basically, we tore it all apart. We did our initial investigations, ordered some parts. The blinker was just unplugged. I don't know how. It's inside the cowl, but it was unplugged. Blinker works fine. We did get the headlight replaced. That cowl is still laying on my workbench over here. Excuse the mess. Got the speedometer cable replaced, did some investigation on the starting issue and figured out that it was actually the starter solenoid that was bad. We did some wiring checks, jumped the solenoid, and the starter turned, tried to start the bike. So we replaced the starter and now we're able to crank it. However, the new issue is that it won't start. So I've already done some tearing open here. I made sure it's getting fuel. You can smell that. It's getting fuel. It's getting spark. I've checked the spark plug. So I ended up hooking up my compression gauge. And according to the manual, it's supposed to get between 10.5 to 1 to 11 to 1 compression ratio with 215 PSI. My gauge was reading 0. So I took the valve cover off to see if I could see anything going on here. And the first thing I noticed is the intake valve. That is a very bad sign. The valve could be stuck. I don't see any issues. If you can see down in there, I don't see any issues with the camshaft and the way the rocker arm rides on the lobes. The screw is about adjusted the same as the other side. My suspicion is that the intake valve is stuck, whether it's a carbon buildup or something. Something's got that intake valve stuck open. So I'm getting ready to take the head off of this and investigate that issue. We will provide another update as we go along, let you guys know. But that's where we sit on that bike currently. Welcome back, everybody. Just a quick update on the Gator scooter that we were working on earlier. I got the head off, and as I expected, I don't know if you can see that, the intake valve is actually stuck open. So I'm going to investigate that. This is very dirty in there. But I'm going to investigate that, figure out if it's carbon, if there's a broken piece, why is that intake valve stuck open. But that would answer our 0 compression on the gauge that we had earlier. Stay tuned for more updates.